Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from your DeFi wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Whether you're looking to move funds for trading, staking, or just managing your portfolio, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a DeFi wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet loaded with USDT, and a verified Crypto.com account. In 2025, things might be even more streamlined with advanced integrations, so keep an eye out for any app updates. Step 1. Open your DeFi wallet app and navigate to the USDT asset. Look for the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Double-check that you're selecting USDT specifically, as crypto addresses can be asset-specific to avoid errors. Step 2. Grab your Crypto.com wallet address. Log into your Crypto.com app or website, go to the Wallet section, and copy the deposit address for USDT. Pro tip: always verify the network. USDT is often on Ethereum or Tron, so match it with your DeFi wallet settings to prevent lost funds. Step 3. Back in your DeFi wallet, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so aim for off-peak times to save costs. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to sign it with your wallet's private key or biometric authentication for security. Once it's broadcasted, keep an eye on the Blockchain Explorer to track its progress. It should hit your Crypto.com account in a few minutes to an hour. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your Crypto.com balance and celebrate your successful move. Remember, always prioritize security, use hardware wallets for large amounts, and be wary of phishing scams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.